Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Sara Fithian and today we're going to be getting on board this beautiful Palm Beach GT50. Stepping on board this large swim platform, entering through the center boarding gate here and just looking at this expansive aft deck, it is just beautiful with the teak, both settees, mirrored settees on the port and starboard side. Forward here we have refrigeration to the starboard side with your Fusion stereo control above and more storage. Over here on the port side we have an ice maker, storage, we have a grill integrated seamlessly into the countertop, we have a sink, more storage, and then the window above drops down, which makes a great indoor-outdoor feel. You also see two other windows that drop down as well once we get inside. So as we're walking here, there's high stainless steel rails to keep you feeling safe when transiting to the bow area. Here we're going to look at the integrated windlass and anchor locker. So this is hidden away underneath the deck, which makes just for a seamless, sleek look from the exterior. There's room here obviously for fenders, as you can see. There's room for lines, the rod and chain are there as well for the anchor. And I just love this design of this. It allows the profile not to be obstructed by the anchor, but you still obviously have the functionality of having the anchor on board, which is very nice and necessary. Another notable feature would be this one piece of glass windshield. It is amazing, the seamless piece. This is one of the windows that goes down, also the one on the starboard side. Let's go ahead inside and check out the interior. As you walk into the salon, your galley is down the starboard side. An integrated sink into the countertop. You have storage drawers below, Miele speed oven, dishwasher, and fridges. To the port side, there is a nice large L-settee. Forward of that, we have our helm benches, the beautiful Palm Beach logo on the back and diamond blue stitching on the seats. This is our traditional Palm Beach seated helm. We have this boat powered by Volvo IPS 800s, which are 600 horsepower each. We have the joystick, the Humphrey trim tabs and fin stabilizers. Yeah, and all of the windows go down. Like I was telling you before, we have this aft window. Oh, something's rolling by at the boat show, getting ready for us to start here, but so that window drops, as well as the port and the starboard windows as well. So I love that feature. It's actually designed so you're able to sit here at the helm and step out as if it is a side door, and it makes it a really easy exit to the side deck if you just swing your leg over and then you're there. If you need to help out with docking and lines and things like that, good visibility as well. This is how the boat rides, honestly, at the 35 knots that it cruises at, which is just amazing because of our beautiful V-warped technology hull design. Then you have your companion helm bench over there. Let's continue to go down below in this Palm Beach GT50. So, right as you get down the stairs to get down below, we have our guest and day head here. Beautifully finished with teak and paneling there. As you cross over to the port side, you have your guest stateroom. So there's a nice, cute, tucked away queen bed here and storage above and around. As you go forward, this is now your master and suite cabin. So you have your in-suite head here on this side. And you have your shower here on the port side. This is also accessible from the guest stateroom. So it is a shared head but dedicated, a shared shower but a dedicated head to each, which is nice. Full-length mirror here on this hanging locker, and then this is your master cabin. So the berth is pulled back, which makes for a really nice and easily accessible berth. You can sit on it, put on your shoes, socks, whatever, and it's not raised up too high in an odd shape. It's really easy to make. No headbangers. You have a TV, storage, and all of that. It is beautiful. So another notable feature of the Palm Beach GT50 model, also the 60 and the 70, which we do make this in, is the fact that we made this to be a low maintenance, easy, go fast model basically. So we raise the deck and are able to put larger engines in here than we typically would on the Palm Beach 50, which is built on the same hull. We just designed that more with, more teak trim, more teak cabinetry and things like that. And this one is built mostly just with carbon fiber. And it's painted and it's beautiful and it's a lot less maintenance, wash and go, which makes it a really easy boat to handle. It's very streamlined and seamless and very owner operator. This boat cruises with those larger engines at like 35 knots and tops out just above 40, which is amazing. Our typical Palm Beach has the Volvo IPS 600s or 650s, which has 480 horsepower. So this is significantly upgraded in horsepower, which we're able to get more knots out of that. And just with the V-Warp technology hull design, it's just the best riding boat. It's nothing like any other Downey style boat that you're going to be on with a V-bottom that's going to ride the waves and bang and slap in 4 or 5 foot seas. This one sits in the water and cuts through, and it sucks the bottom just like you would imagine any semi-displacement. It just cuts through the waves, and it does that at 35 knots as well, with virtually no bow rise and virtually no wake either. So no wasted space here. Not wasted space, wasted energy, I should say. It's very efficient, and it burns like incredible fuel burn. I'll put it here on the screen so you can see a little chart of the fuel burn. It's amazing. So it's actually feasible to go those speeds, and you're able to have fun doing it. Also build this boat in a jet drive or outboards. So if you want all those details, please let me know. I'd love to chat with you more about this boat. It's fantastic, and I know you're gonna love it. My details are in the description box below. Please reach out to me. My name is Sara Fithian. I work here at Grand Banks and Palm Beach Motor Yachts, and I'd love to chat with you. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.